wide awake for the day.
Hi! So just like the design, and this is how to staple it. This is my Lego sign with an L, E here and a T.
And that's why I feel
This is my Lego logo. Has dots here.
It's a Corona zapper. New Lego logo, the icon.
Sky flyer thing that represents all Lego
Logo. Background is green.
ain't it good now? Feel nice, feeling fine.
This is all the main colors of the logo.
This is the Lego set, right? Then this is the sign over here.
2 red bricks on top to make it look like a sign.
My original logo. This is a dog.
Look at this. Cool, huh?
Although this is my Lego logo.
Alternate Lego logo.
Lego.
I use multi-bricks.
Yeah, the minifigures, so they're more special.
And it can be converted into many shapes.
The L, the E, G, the O. It has lots of colorful spots. Words are going down.
And these pieces at the back symbolize all the different pieces of
Alive Lego. Sort of like an advertisement.
Whenever I play with Lego, I feel like I'm in paradise. Mr. Pink Slime, an Enderman avatar, one it's a car. And that's my Lego logo. Bye!
Hello, this is my spinning top.
like the diamond shape.
I wake up in the morning.
because of this part, which is
Day, and I say,
It actually works. Spin for quite a lot of time.
The spin top looks like this. Make a second one.
the nature spinner, only on flat areas. Spinning top. Spin this like a pipe. You just put it here and you spin it. If you balance it, it actually spins. And I tried to make it as colorful as I could. Rainbow spots also can spin. Stuff here to make it spin. Spinning top, and if it's been broken, it can be rebuilt.
Using one little leg, it has this flying curve board.
It can be stabilized with something like this.
There's a turntable piece. Spin it with these two.
On the sides are to help it spin faster and for longer.
When I spin on a table, it's like very nice and vibrant.
These clothes are attackers.
It's a special top. It moves slow and fast, strong.
Yeah, it's very strong. Mr. Pink Slime had an obstacle for Batman.
I call it the rainbow spinner.
Thank you all of you guys for joining the competition. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look, this is my whole Lego city. It's actually quite huge. And I also do have like 1,000 more boxes.
Thank you.